Hey, and welcome back to our channel. So we're in the middle of winter, and while we already put on our warmest and coziest sweaters, you're still in time to adapt your vacation rental for this time of the year. So let's have a look at the best upgrades that you can do for the winter season. Let's get started. So whether winter is peak season for your rental or not, it's always a good idea to adapt for this time of the year to keep an excellent and consistent guest experience throughout the whole year. And if winter is indeed the peak season in your location, then it's even more so important. And furthermore, if winter is your low season but still add some of the cool winter amenities or upgrades, you'll be able to attract off-season guests and improve your occupancy rate during this period of the year. Also, by adding new features to your offer, you'll be able to raise your daily rates and generate a higher income. And thanks to some of these new features, you'll also be able to improve your productivity, reducing costs, and in the long run, making more money. So now, without further ado, let's dive into the top winter upgrades for your vacation rental. Number 1, install a fireplace. And this one is a classic because everyone wants to enjoy that cozy winter cabin feeling. Sitting in front of the warm fire, cuddling up with a cozy blanket, drinking hot chocolate, you know what I'm talking about. So if you don't already have a fireplace at your rental, now it's time to upgrade and make it more marketable for winter. And you have different options here. You have the traditional one, but you also have gas or electric fireplaces. And even though those might not look as rustic and traditional, it will save your renters time and work. Bear in mind though that these modern options will mean more extra monthly costs over the fireplace installation, as they will consume more gas or electricity. And if you choose to go with the traditional one, remember to align with your team so that there is always wood ready for the fireplace when new guests arrive. Next, invest in heated floors. Heated floors in the bathroom, living room are appealing to any guest, especially in the morning when you're jumping out of bed. So according to Forbes, national average costs for 1,000 square feet range from $7,000 to $22,000 for hydronic or water-based, or $8,000 to $15,000 for electric. And believe me, it's a worthwhile investment in the long run, because one huge benefit is that you don't need to redo your flooring as well. In most cases, what you already have will work with your radiant heating. Next, add a hot tub or a jacuzzi. Imagine a whole day of skiing or hiking out in the cold, then returning to your rental to relax in a hot bath. Sounds nice to you, right? Then it will probably sound really appealing to your guests as well. You could upgrade your bathtub into a jet tub, transforming your bathroom into a little spa for winter visitors. Also, if it's indoors, it can be used anytime, no matter how strong the blizzard might be hitting outside. The key here is to make sure that guests take good care of your hot tub at all times. Once you've installed a hot tub in your vacation rental, sauna would be the next natural step, right? This unique selling point will make your rental stand out among competition, but you will also be able to market your property as an extra cozy winter escape and as a health and wellness retreat. Next, apply epoxy flooring. Epoxy flooring started in commercial garages because of its safety and durability, but nowadays homeowners update their flooring to epoxy for similar reasons, and of course you can do the same to make your rental safer during winter. When you're constantly in and out, the outdoors, inside of the house, the car, etc. with your shoes full of snow, accidents can happen. However, epoxy flooring is slip resistant and designed so that spills or puddles, such as melting snow, can easily be wiped away. Then remember to upgrade your amenities. As it gets dark earlier, guests will spend more and more time inside of your rental, so think about the amenities that they will like to use and enjoy. So kitchenware, for example, such as a muffin tray if they want to bake, or a fondue set for a classic winter dish. Equip your kitchen with hot cocoa, different teas and coffees, and why not mulled wine too. Guests can also just relax on the sofa and watch a movie, so providing a smart TV with a Netflix account will be useful. And you can also include activities for your guests to do, such as board games. All of these will help you differentiate your business from your competitors, especially if you're targeting families with kids. And also, needless to say, remember to provide warm blankets in all the bedrooms. Next, smart locks. This is a great way to allow your guests access to your property without actually being there. This is an upgrade that will make your life easier all year round, not only in winter, but truth is that in winter there are more chances of bad weather hazards, like delayed flights or traffic collapsing due to snow. So if you don't know what time your guests will arrive, a smart lock is the way to go. That way they'll be able to check in anytime, even in the middle of the night if they need to. And we continue with automated features with the Smart Thermostat. Installing a Smart Thermostat will help you to regulate your home's temperature on the go, wherever you are, and consequently have control over your utility bills. Next, don't forget about outdoor activities, because there's plenty to love about winter beyond the coziness that you provide inside of your rental for your guests. Having winter sports equipment and other different things to enjoy outside will help you improve your guest experience. For example, providing sleds is a cheap way to offer something special that the whole family will enjoy, especially the kids. And talking about snow, make sure that it remains fun and not an inconvenience, because tramping through pile-up snow, slipping on ice, or getting your car stuck in the driveway, none of these are pleasant experiences to offer your guests. So this is why you can offer snow removal services. This will give your guest a peace of mind as they venture into weather conditions that may be new for them, or at the very best, save them the hassle of shoveling out the snow themselves. Then, if you want to save costs in the long run, consider upgrading your rental's insulation. You might be burning tens of thousands of dollars in winter utility bills if your home isn't properly prepped and insulated for the cold, and all that money could instead go to the hot tub or the sauna we just mentioned. And finally, once you've made all of these upgrades, big or small, remember to market your property accordingly. Don't forget to update your photos and listing descriptions to reflect all of these benefits to potential guests. Emphasize that you have upgraded your home and call special attention to all of your new offerings. And you can even consider changing the title on your listings to reflect its value during winter. Things like cozy winter cabin, cozy winter rental, and so on. This way you'll make it more clickable in search results. Well, this is all for today, but what about you guys? What do you usually do to adopt your rental for winter? Let us know in the comments below. And as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.